Hey y'all, so today I'm coming at y'all with a initial review on this hair I received. Well, not received, hair that I bought. I bought this hair. This hair is from Moda. Yes, Moda. And it came, I already opened it, y'all. I was too happy. I had to hurry up and open this. Like, I was so lit. But this came from FedEx. It was shipped by FedEx. And I got lengths 18, 20, and 222s of Brazilian Body Wave, and it came in a little package like this. They just say Moda 100% virgin human hair and all that stuff, and it's just like a little white plastic thing bag. And all my bundles came in a little plastic thing like this with the inches at the top, as you can see. And so let's see, like I said, I already opened all these, so let's go with the 18. So here is the 18. My beards, there's some, but it's not like really a lot, so it's straight. Y'all, this bundle looks small to be 18 to me. Like, normally when I get a bundle of 18, them things be thick. Them things be like thick, y'all. Them things be real thick. But yeah, this one looks small to me. And I ain't know, the beards ain't bad. It smells like hair. I guess it smells like hair. And this hair got like reddish, brownish pieces in it, but that's okay with me because my hair is like reddish, brownish anyway, so yeah, it's okay. But yeah, it's the 18-inch body wave. So bouncy, so bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. And it's so soft, oh my gosh. Soft, soft, soft. I wish y'all could touch it. It's so soft. Just look at the ends. That's what I'm trying to do. They keep curling up. But yeah, the ends don't look bad for real, y'all. Yeah, they look straight to me. And it's so soft. I'm too weak. And next we have up is our 20. Woo! So this is my 20-inch. It's so soft, like, oh my gosh, so soft. This one just smells like hair, like, just smell like hair. Y'all, the 18 and the 20 is like the same size, like, yeah, the 18 and 20 same size. Don't think that's gonna be a problem, but whatever. This one got brown hairs in it too. I don't know if y'all can see them or whatnot, but they do got brown hairs in there. This one got a little beards too. They not like that or whatever, but these ends don't look bad. Yo, it's so soft. Like, I'm so ready. Like, yes. I'm gonna be flexing. Here is one of the 20s. So bouncy, 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 bouncy. So soft, so soft. Oh, I don't know why I did that. I honestly don't even smell nothing with this one. Yeah, I don't smell nothing with this one. But y'all, ain't none of these bundles shedding like, well, it's just a little bit like 2 strands, 2, 3 strands, but these bundles ain't even shedding. Like, there's nothing on my hand. Let me go through the other ones. Like, there's nothing there. I just got like a little snag, but that ain't bad. Back to the 22. Yeah, ain't nothing coming out, y'all. Perfect. Let's hope it stays that way. But anyways, y'all, I'm 5'1", and this the hair, like, not stretched or whatever. It's not stretched. And when it's stretched, comes like at my hip bone. So that's pretty long. I'm finna be flexing like, what? So soft. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't wait. Here the other 22. This one don't have no smell either. But that's good though. I feel like I'm standing like it's bad. It do got little short pieces. Like they got like little short pieces. I don't know if you can see it for real, but like all these little short pieces. They like real short. But it's so soft. Oh my gosh. This bundle look back. All of them look the same. Like there's no difference in none of these bundles for real. Like not for real. They all look the same to me. And this one's ends. Looks pretty decent. Y'all, I don't know if I want to put color to this hair or what. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might make it a shade of red or something. But I can't wait. Let me see them all together. Y'all, I be having to have thick hair. I don't like that little small, thin hair. I said, oh, ooh, I had some hair one time that was so thin. And it shitted so much. I hated it. I was so mad. Then I bought that hair myself. I was so mad. And it came from AliExpress. I don't even remember the company, but it was horrible. This hair is long. Y'all, I can't wait to put this in. Like, look at it. Yes, like the shine, the shine, the shine. I love that. It's not too much. It's not too little. Looks natural. So pretty. But yeah, that's all that came in the packaging and everything. So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. So like and comment and subscribe, please.